What's good, guys? We are back again for another video. You guys obviously know we're not going to stop till we get to the top. It is currently Thursday, and you know what? We've been losing this week, but we're just going to see what's going to happen on Thursday. I'm planning on going with the biased, but there is a trade coming up. I'm planning on taking a sell very soon, and then later on a buy, depending on what price does. But yeah, we'll just see what happens, and hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to the video. Okay, right now, if we check here, we can clearly see prices on an uptrend. Prices pushing to the upside. I have been taking a lot of losses during this week as prices just been pushing up, and you can say prices just been faking me out this week and just a few other things. But right now, I am actually planning on taking a sell, as the sell is coming up right now, probably after this candle makes another 5-minute candle and push it to the downside. And then later on, I will be taking a buy if price lines up with my bias coming into here at 8:30 or 8 p.m. around there. So yeah, my goal right now, guys, is really just to take a sell just because of price. I count price right now as touching the black line. This black line is clearly the monthly open price, which is a confluence price. You can clearly see if I put a small retracement right here, Fibonacci right here, you can clearly see prices just touched the 78.60 to the 88.60% retracement. Price also grabbed the previous 5-minute liquidity. It is against the trend, and prices also grabbed a few other liquidities. So I will be taking a sell on this trade and later on taking a buy, but we have been taking a few L's today, so it is unfortunate, but we good. There we go. I took a sell right here. So I expect price to probably come around this area and give me like a 1 to 4. And if price comes around at the perfect time as well, I should be getting a buy in this area once again. If the timing is right, taking a buy right here with something like a 9.5 pips to the upside. So I should be looking at something like this if price decides to go with what I have in mind. The reason why I took a sell here and didn't wait for the price to get to the monthly open price is because I just don't think price is going to reach it because it's already considered touching it. Either I've placed the monthly open price wrong, or price on a different chart is considered touching the monthly open price. So that's why I took a sell right now. And yeah, we're just gonna see what happens later on, but it looks like right now price is making its way down. It's price deviated both ways 40%. I don't think this has ever happened while I've been trading, or I just haven't been necessarily paying attention. This is something new. And really, when price hits the daily open is when I bring my stop loss to break even. Right now, it looks like price is doing well. It's doing its thing. And I'll catch you guys in probably 30 minutes to 2 hours from now, just to see what happens. This week, we've just been taking L's on L's on L's. So we're not trying to force anything. We're just gonna try go with our strategy and try and make something out of it. You guys know, if you like this, hit that like. We're gonna hold this, see what happens at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is really what I'm looking for, or just when price arrives here. I did say about timing just earlier on, but I realized that there is news later on. And when there's news, especially red news later on, price doesn't really care too much about the timing, and it will just bounce off and respect certain areas better than others. So we're gonna wait for this area to be touched, no diddy, and I'll catch you guys in like 30 minutes probably, or an hour. We'll see how fast this moves. Unfortunately, you guys can see I took an L. It didn't go according to plan. Although, if price decides to make it to this area, I'll be taking another sell. And for this specific sell, I was actually a bit worried. The reason why I was actually worried for this trade right here was because I took a sell and it seemed to be a bit early because price didn't touch the monthly open price. But as you can see here, if price touched the monthly open price, I still would have been invalidated, which confirmed my idea that price already touched the monthly open price. It just didn't touch here, if that makes sense. I know it doesn't make sense too much, but just try to understand this, that even if price gets close to the monthly open price specifically, it usually means that on another chart, which is the exact same chart, just on a different version, the price did touch the monthly open price, but probably on this version, it didn't. It could also be my placement where I placed the monthly open price. It could have been a bit higher than what it usually is or what it should be. And yeah, so now we're just waiting on price coming up here. to getting this trade. And once this trade happens, if it does happen, whether I win or lose, probably be the end, and that's when I have to call it a day for Thursday trade. But currently right now, guys, we are on a losing streak for this whole week. It's been terrible. Started off the week trash, ended the week we don't know just yet, but right now it's not looking too good. So anyway, we'll see what happens in another 30 minutes to 1 hour. Hey guys, this is the final results for what I'm seeing, and I do not see price making it to my sweet spot or my area which I'm trying to take a sell at, as it's either here taking a sell or down here which is taking a buy. It's probably around here now which is taking a buy because price keeps on pushing up, right? And I think the reason for this is because price deviated both ways, not just 30%, 40%, I'm pretty sure. Price is just playing up right now, so I'm not too sure what's happening. If price does not make it to one of these areas before 10 p.m, then I'm just going to call it a day, and that's just how it's looking right now. If you guys like this video, this is a Thursday trade. We took an L. It is what it is. This whole week's been shit. Not going to lie. You know what you guys can do to make it better? Hit that like, show some support, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.